Good day everyone, welcome to People Vanta. This is a channel where we trade with logic. Today we are going to talk about another important topic: what every beginner must learn before placing their first trade. Most people open a trading account and place a trade the same day. No understanding, no preparation, just hope. And that is exactly why most beginners lose money in Forex. Before you place your first trade, there are things you must understand, or the market will teach you the hard way. So now we are going to talk about things a beginner must understand before you take your first trade. Let's dive into it. The first thing you should know is that risk comes before profit. Let's start with the most important rules. In Forex, the first question is not how much can I make, it's how much can I lose. Every professional trader thinks about risk before profit because profit is optional, but loss is guaranteed. If you don't control your losses, no strategy will save you. A beginner who ignores risk is not trading, they are gambling. That is why you must know your risk, think in terms of losses, and also protect your capital. The second thing a beginner should know is that you don't need many strategies. This is another mistake beginners make. They think success comes from having many strategies, so they keep jumping from one system to another. 1 week it's support and resistance, next week it's indicator, the smart money concept. But the truth is simple. One clear strategy, well understood, is enough. Master one strategy because consistency beats complexity every time. Focus beats confusion. When you focus on a particular strategy and you understand everything about that strategy, then confusion will give way to clarity. The next thing a beginner should know is that losing trades are normal. Let me say this clearly. Losing trades do not mean you are a bad trader. Losses are part of the game. Even professional traders lose. The difference is this: professional traders plan for losses. Beginners are shocked by them. If a single loss makes you emotional, angry, or desperate, then you are risking too much. Forex is a probability game, not a prediction game. Always expect drawdowns and manage risk carefully. The next thing a beginner trader should learn is that discipline is more important than talent. Many people think successful traders are gifted. That's not true. Successful traders are disciplined. They follow rules even when it's boring. They stop trading when emotions rise. They walk away after reaching their limits. Discipline is not talent. It is a skill you build over time. And without it, knowledge is useless. Discipline entails ruling over your emotions, staying consistent, and training your mindset regardless of the outcome of every trade. The final and the most important thing you should learn as a beginner is to protect your capital first. Your trading account is your tool. Once it's gone, the game is over. That is why capital protection is your first job, not growth, not fast profit, not lifestyle. Survive first. A trader who survives can improve, but a trader who blows account keeps starting over. Before placing your first trade, understand this: Forex rewards patience, it punishes impatience. If you focus on discipline, risk, and consistency, profit will come with time. Always have this in your mind, that profit is optional, but loss is guaranteed. Subscribe to People Fanta and trade with logic. Remember, survive first and grow later.